Hello everyone, welcome to Tech with T. In this video, I am going to show you how to install PHP, MySQL and Valet in Ubuntu operating system. This is the first part. In this video, we are showing the installation of PHP and Valet, and the next part we will show you the installation process of MySQL and PHP and simply PHP with MySQL. So setting up your Ubuntu environment to run PHP or Laravel projects with the Nginx server is advised here. You can link your MySQL with PHP to run it by the Valet. So before running any command, we need to run this update and update command. After that, we need to install curl. And after the installation, we need to check the curl version. And now we have to install Nginx server for PHP dependencies. After the Nginx server, we need to install PHP, and we are going to install PHP with FPM. It will download the latest PHP, and here is little spelling mistake. Now it will install. And it will install PHP 8.1 in your Ubuntu and you are good to go. Now check the PHP version. And yes, after that we need to run the update command. And after that we need to install Nginx repository. Place enter. And now to check the status of PHP that it has to collaborate properly with the Nginx repository, we need to run this command. And yes, now we have to restart Nginx and then restart it. And now we have to install Network Manager. Yes. And after that we need to install some PHP extensions. It will automatically detect your version and do it your own work. Yes. Yes. And now run this update command. You can skip this time, but I will run this to update the packages. which we are installed earlier, and now we have to install Composer. And now we have to set the Composer address. It will download. It will download in the packages. Maybe it takes some time. Yes, it finished. Now check the Composer version. Yes, run this update command. You can skip this. And now we are in the section of installation Valet. It will download the whole packages for Valet. And then this test command for install Valet. And now we have to run this command, Composer global update for updated Valet version. It will update the Valet, and now just Valet install. It will complete the whole installation of Valet in our Ubuntu. And yes, if you follow the whole process of installation, so you are good to go with PHP and Laravel project. So now you can develop your web application in your Ubuntu by using Laravel and PHP and yes, Valet. So if you like the video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Till then, goodbye.